In this episode, we are finally coming towards our end goal to finalize the customer success board dashboard design the way it appears here. And we have already designed the background for the title. We have already designed this part, but we are going to finalize these, putting these charts. And putting these titles here in each of the section, then putting these slicers and designing this slicer, how we can design, and then creating an integration between the slicer and all the chart here, so that when we click on any of the button in this slicer, so that all the charts will interact in a way and will update in a way, uh, the slicers the in a way that in a way the that we have segregated the data. Now, in this video, in this episode, I'm going to start with designing the elegant, the beautiful looking titles for each part of the customer success dashboard. For each segment of the customer success dashboard, there are four segments here, and how we can design this beautiful background for it, the text here written here, the icon here, and the same is with it, the same is with here. So in this episode, we are going to design this. So let's watch this video till the end. Assalamu alaikum, I'm Ishtiaq Khan and welcome to Grow with Ishtiaq Khan YouTube channel. In this channel, you will learn about opportunities and growth and how you can put your creativity on the table. So if you are a fresh graduate, a student, young professional in the early phase of your career, or a mid-level professional, then this platform is just for you. So in this episode, we are going to design, like I talked in the start of the video, design the finalizing the customer success dashboard, all parts of the customer success dashboard. And the first part is to design these beautiful looking titles for it with the icons and with everything here and with the beautiful background here. So let's see how we can design it. So this is the background that we had designed. This is the background for the title. This is the title written here. This is the four section where we'll put the charts, and this is the background for the slicers. So first of all, let's see how we can design these titles for these charts. And so we'll start with uh, inserting a shape, and I need this type of shape. Let's go down and look, and this one, I need this type of shape here, this type of shape somewhat in this corner. And then I need a text box, and the text box I need to write sales. We need to design this text box we want. And let's try again one more time, and let's first create this one, and then we need to insert a text box here, the center, and write sales here. And because this section is sales section, and increase its size, also change its font. I like this one, this font. And now you can format it. It should not be like, you can format it, format this shape. It should be no fill. That's looking good. It should have no border, no line. and you increase the you can increase the size the way you want. Let's go for the 28. Let's see how it's look now. Mm, Get this and copy it here. One copy it here, and first of all design complete this design. And with this design you can have a gradient fill, and gradient fill I like to have something looking extremely beautiful. If we design this one and add some gradient here, and then some, like, I'm not designing it the way I design it, because you should, if you use creativity the way you want, then you can increase. And the way you the more you practice creativity, the more it will be like it's much looking elegant, much looking better as compared to I need no line here. It's looking better as compared to the other one, and I can put some more gradient into it, and be here, it should be here, and I can decrease the size. Yes, look at it. Then now copy both, control V, paste one here, control V, paste one here. Let's adjust it, control V, and paste one here. Four titles. Now it's your task. Second one is delivery. Decrease its size somewhat, not so much, and then click here and then increase its size. Yes, 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 yes. Look at it, look at it. Yes, look at it. You can put any other color the way you want, and it's delivery. That's uh, what's the next one is customer acquisition. Customer acquisition. Let me I will change the background like this one, and it's not looking so much good, but let's see first complete the text and these designs. This, and increase its size, then decrease its size so that it can be fit here. Increase it some, because we also need to put the icon here. Need to select this one and size. Now same is with the customer satisfaction. Now increase its size, format 18, and let's see, we will check the size of each of these. Select this one, select this one, that's one. Now it's here, now it's here. Delivery, and what here and here.
its size is 20, so I think everyone should be 20, so it should be good looking, and it's also 20. It's spin it now for my it should be 20. It should be 20. This should also be 20. 20 is looking, yes, it will give a good presentation and somewhat decreased size. Increase its size, but increase to 22. Now, this is about the and it's really a this and now put it here. You can now you can change the backgrounds. I do not like format this shape, and I think it should be the dark, and then this one, and then it should be this one. How it's looking now? No, not visually bleak. So you can work with it the way you want, and let's go with the green. You can work with it the way you want. No, 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 and you can work with it. It's somewhat visually looking good compared to the previous one. So it's this one, then this one, and then this one. Now look at it's this one, and then the second gradient, second section, and stop should be this one last. Last one, the middle one, and the rest. Now this is, and then you can insert the icons. We load it, and then you can select the icons. I need to select the we want this icon, also some other icons, and also this icon, and select delivery, and into the analytics, it's into people. You can have think this one, and let's see any other one, and delivery performance, and let's see insert these of the you put it here, and it's not looking the good one, and can insert, and look, you can insert the icons here and the way the icons you want. So people, and customer, this one is good. This one is also good. You can decrease the sizes and just delete, delete, delete. I think delete this one. This not. Now fill the sizes with the white, decrease it to 1 and 1 centimeter. Now paste one here. Delivery should be here. We can also decrease some more size, and there should be the customer satisfaction, what customer are telling. Now put it here, and the last part is put it here. Format, and it should be so almost. Now these are the titles designed for each of this section. How it's looking, I think it's looking really good, visible, elegant, beautiful looking. So these are the titles designed for the customer success dashboard. Each of the section is being given a title: the sales, the customer satisfaction, delivery, and customer acquisition. So in the upcoming episode we will paste those charts, and then we will go for the slab pasting the slicers and connecting those with the all charts with the slicers. And then finally we will also go for the how we can create our customized slicers, and the slicer are interactive also. And with these customized slicers we can then fulfill our purpose of creating and completing the customer success dashboard in Microsoft Excel. So that's all about this episode. It's a long episode, but I think you would have enjoyed watching it and learning that from where it's not about that my designs are not so much beautiful, but you can use your own creativity, your own creative skill to design much more elegant titles and other things and those backgrounds. So watch this video and share this video with your friends and colleagues, and also subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and colleagues to help them become creative, to help you use Microsoft Excel to uh, have to deliver some great products and deliver some great prototypes and deliver some great dashboards creativity into their work, to inject some creativity into their work. So that's all about this episode. Do you want to move your career to the next level? Then subscribe to my YouTube channel, Grow with Ishtiaq Khan. Here you can find videos related to career and personal development, learning new skills, and how you can transform yourself to grow and attract next big opportunity waiting for you. Also, press the bell icon to get notified of the new video shared on this platform, and share the video with your friends and colleagues because sharing is caring. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.